Are you ready to unlock the secrets of free energy? It's time to embark on a journey of innovation and empowerment. Today, we're diving into how you can build your very own free energy generator right at home. But before we get started, let's remember the words of the great inventor, Nikola Tesla. The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in one decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence. What if I told you that harnessing energy wasn't just about wires and circuits? What if it was about opening your mind to the possibilities that exist beyond the tangible? Now, you might be thinking, free energy? Is that even possible? I'm here to tell you, yes, it is. It's about tapping into the resources that are all around us. It's about creativity, resourcefulness, and a dash of daring to challenge the status quo. Building a free energy generator at home isn't just about saving money. It's about making a statement. It's about reclaiming your power and taking control of your energy future. It's a testament to your ingenuity and a symbol of hope for a cleaner, more sustainable world. So, let's get started. First, research and understand the concepts. There are countless resources available online, from beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced engineering blueprints. Next, gather your materials. You'll need components like magnets, coils, and a few basic electronic parts. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. What seems impossible today might be tomorrow's breakthrough. So, embrace the challenge, and let's build a brighter future together.